I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the file into CapCut and confirming audio quality. Open a new project and import your clip. Make sure the waveform looks clean and not clipped. Then, choose Subtitles and select Auto-Generate for your language or Add if you prefer manual entry. Once done, let CapCut process the track. This can take seconds to minutes depending on length. Make sure to keep the app active so the transcription finishes without interruption. This sets up the accurate base you'll refine next. Now you refine what the Auto-Generate gave you. Tap a caption and correct words, punctuation, and casing. This improves readability. For timing, drag the caption edges on the timeline or use frame-level controls, nudge by 0. Ones when necessary to match mouth movements. Once synced, style the captions so they're legible. Pick a clear font, set size and contrast, add a subtle background or outline, and position them to avoid HUD elements. This combination of precise timing and styling makes subtitles professional and accessible. Finish by choosing how you want subtitles delivered. Export with burned-in captions for universal playback or export an SRT file to upload separately to platforms. Select your resolution and frame rate, then review a short segment to ensure subtitles appear and stay in sync. If captions vanish after export, rerun Auto-Generate, confirm the correct audio track is selected, or toggle burn-in before exporting. Finally, update CapCut if problems persist. Bugs are often fixed in newer releases, and that usually resolves stubborn subtitle issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.